Okay, we're going to test out some Shou Sugi Ban, or whatever you call that Japanese staining of wood. Over here I've got a deep burn where the grain is lifted. Feels kind of nice there, but anyway, and this side is a light burn. This is a deep burn. So I'm going to see the difference between the two. I've got blue stain and I've got red stain. So what I'm doing is I'm testing this out to see what it would look like on a table, a side table. I want to make a side table, Shou Sugi Ban, or however you pronounce it. I know I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but so we're gonna pop open this stain. Okay. First we'll do with the blue. Not sure how much stain I'm supposed to put on this. If I'm just supposed to stain the wood that is lifted off of the or the grain that is lifted up. But here's what it is. Okay. This side. Let that set for a few minutes. All right, let's wipe this sucker off. Well, that's a massive fail. I guess I'm going to try something different with the red on this side. I think I put too much stain on here. That doesn't look good at all. Can't even tell it's blue. This one anyway, should leave it on there a little longer before I wipe it off, but I think this one would work. So let's go with the red now. I should mention I didn't use any pre-stain, so maybe if I use pre-stain, I'm going to try that again with pre-stain later off camera. I'm going to go a little lighter on this. Maybe the blue is just too dark. Yeah, I think I should try pre-stain before doing this. Oh, that's okay, I guess. You can see the burn better on this, on the red, than you can on the blue. What do you guys think? I want to try green too. Have to get some green. Alright, that's it for this test. Thanks for watching.